At Grifform Innovations, we take pride in manufacturing high-quality windowsills that are made from solid surface materials, ensuring durability and functionality. To ensure that your windowsill is a perfect fit, we offer a variety of shape options to choose from. You can start by selecting a windowsill shape that suits your needs, such as the windowsill shape without ears or with ears. If you select a windowsill shape with ears, you can specify the corner treatment of the ears, which can either be square or 3/4 inch radius corner. Once you have chosen the shape of your windowsill, you can provide us with the exact dimensions of your resting area. It is crucial to measure the resting area accurately to ensure a perfect fit. At Grifform Innovations, we are committed to providing our customers with top quality windowsills that are built to last. Contact us today to learn more about our windowsill options and how we can help you find the perfect solution for your space.